here we go. First catch and cook on a kayak. So this will be a kayak kitchen, catch and cook. So what we have here is cut a bass. It's pretty good size, about 15 inches. Avocado, lime, mango, butter with some olive oil. I don't think I'm gonna need the lemon since I got the lime. And then a little mixture of my seasoning that I found in my kitchen. So we'll see how this turns out. Pretty good view out here. So we got the bass filleted. Just gotta get rid of the skin, back end. Pretty good job. Alright. Not a bad job for a Gerber knife. Alright. Put the fish season. Get the butter and olive oil going. Time to fry it. Alright. So while we got the fish cooking, time to prep the rest with the ingredients. Looks pretty good. Look at that view. Just beautiful. And that looks amazing. Alright, fish is done. And check out the finished product. Woo. Put some lime on that bad boy. Got a little bit of rice, some mangoes, avocados, fresh bass. That was just swimming right there a couple of minutes ago. And now it's about to be in my stomach. Alright. Cheers. Well guys, I just got done cooking my food, as you can see. Ooh, look at that. Fresh bass. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Put some mangoes. Avocados. Oh yeah, that's good. It's really good bass. Add a little bit more lime on there. Amazing. You guys gotta try this out, guys. You can get outside, go catch yourself a fish, cook it, and just enjoy nature. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked my video, go ahead and add a little comment below. Sorry, this is really good, and I'm really hungry. Give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. So good. Cheers. Man, that was delicious. Okay, back to fishing then.